Topping off the tank. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, topping off the tank. This expression is commonly used in English, but what does it really mean? Stay with us as we dive into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in your everyday conversations. Let's get started. Topping off the tank primarily refers to filling a fuel tank, like that of a car, to its maximum capacity. Imagine you're at a gas station, and after filling up your car, you add a little more fuel to ensure the tank is completely full. This act is called topping off. However, it's important to note that this phrase can also be used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it can mean completing or finishing something up to the point of satisfaction or completeness. It signifies the act of finalizing something with a finishing touch. 1. At the gas station. This is the most literal scenario where the phrase is used. Employees or signs might remind you not to top off your tank for safety reasons. 2. In everyday conversations. People often use it metaphorically to talk about filling up or completing something to its fullest. For example, someone might say they're topping off their day with a relaxing walk. 3. In business meetings, it could be used to describe the final steps of completing a project or task, like topping off our efforts with a final review. To help you better understand, here are some examples of how topping off the tank can be used in sentences. I stopped by the gas station to top off the tank before our long road trip. After a day of hard work, I like topping off with some quiet reading time. Our project is nearly complete. We just need to top off the tank with a few final touches. And that's a wrap on topping off the tank. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this phrase for you. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the ideas and actions they represent. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use topping off the tank in your conversations or writing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!